Hi, Chantal McNaught here, Legal Practice Advisor here at Leap, and welcome to another Quick Tips video. Today's video, we are going through the combined PDF and being able to update your PDFs right in the Leap Matter. Did you know that you can select to combine two or more documents in Leap in your Matter to then create a combined PDF? What this will do is also bookmark your individual documents you have selected in your combined PDF. You also have options to include security, so you can now set a password or select unsecured if you want to enable your recipients or whoever's going to be using the PDF to have it unsecured. The additional functionality is that at any time that those documents that make up your PDF need to be edited in any way, so such as a contract where a modification of the original Word document would need to be updated. To simply update your combined PDF, you can just right-click that combined PDF and select Update, so you don't have to combine the PDF with all the documents again. And that is another quick tip. Please ensure that you like and subscribe this content and hit follow through LinkedIn as well for more great videos.